Ciao, I'm Chiara from perfiloesegno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this cozy cardigan. 3 simple crochet rectangles transform into a warm modern cardigan. And this super easy crochet project is perfect for any beginners that are new to crocheting. For this project I use this beautiful and particular boucle bulky yarn, Frisee, from Mondial. You can find more information in the description box. And a 10mm hook ergonomic series from Prim. So now we're going to create 3 panels, 2 panels on the front and a larger one on the back. So now I'm going to show you one of the front panels. So first chain 20. So now we do 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from hook. So 1, 2, 3. Then we continue to do 1 double crochet into each chain down the row. So now we have 19 double crochet. As you can see, this yarn can be a little bit difficult to see the stitch, so we work 1 double crochet into this space, into each space between the double crochet. So first chain 2, then turn the work, and this counts as your first double crochet. Then we do 1 double crochet into each space. And this is very easy and very fast. Pay attention, we must have 19 double crochet in every row. So let's repeat together one more time. So first chain 2, remember this counts as your first double crochet, then turn the work, and now we work 1 double crochet into each of this space. So it's very easy, into each space, and continue to do this until the end of this row. So all we have to do now is to continue to repeat this last row until we will have a total of 23 rows. Okay, now one of my front panel is about 56 centimeters long and 34 centimeters wide, and I've done 23 rows of simple double crochet. So now we are ready to cut the yarn, And all you have to do now is to repeat and create another panel like this. And this is my panel I've made before. And now I want to show you the back panel. And to create the back panel like this, I've done 45 chains, then 1 double crochet as we did before, for a total of 23 rows. And now, of course, we are ready to sew all of this panel. So grab the two panels, grab the front panels and place over the back panel like this. And of course we are going to sew the shoulder part first. So now we have a back panel like this. This is a little sample to show you better. This is the back panel. Then place the front panel in this way. Now we will sew the shoulder part using a tapestry needle and some yarn, so this part here. Then we will sew the body part, but we will leave an open part for the armhole. So we sew the shoulder part, we leave this open part, and then sew the body part. So I will leave about 24 centimeters for the sleeves. 44 centimeters means 9 rows. So place a clip here. And now we are ready to sew this part using a tapestry needle. So remember, first we are going to sew the shoulder part, leave an open part to create the sleeves, and then sew the body. Now all parts, all panels are sewn. So now we are ready to create the sleeves. To create the sleeves, we use a simple row of double crochet as we did before. This is the first sleeve I've made before. I want to show you, and I work in round simple double crochet for a total of 12 rounds. So grab your hook, the same hook of the panel, so 10 millimeters hook, and insert your hook into the armhole here, and into this hole, into this space, into this first two space, we will do an increase, and we repeat this on the shoulder here. So first insert the yarn. Now chain 1, do not count as a stitch. Then we do 2 double crochet into this first space. 2 double crochet. We do 1 increase here. I suggest you place a marker into this first double crochet. And now we do the same into the next space. So we do 2 double crochets into this next space. 2 increases. So now we're going to do 1 double crochet until we will reach the shoulder part, this shoulder part. So now I'm ready to increase again into this space here on the shoulder part. So into this first we do 2 double crochet, then we do 2 double crochet into the next space. And now we continue to do 1 double crochet into each space until we will reach the marker. Of course, remove the marker, then join with a slip stitch into the first double crochet. So all we have to do now is to continue to do 1 double crochet into each space all the way around. So first chain 1, remember do not count as a stitch, then we do 1 double crochet into this first space here. I suggest to place a marker into this first double crochet and continue to do 1 double crochet into each space all the way around, and continue to repeat until we have a total of 12 rounds. The Frisee cardigan is now complete. Look at these beautiful shades of color of this beautiful and bulky yarn from Mondial. This is a very easy, nice and fast pattern, so this is a beginner friendly project. Every wardrobe deserves a chunky cardigan, so now you can create a perfect look for fall and winter with the Frisee cardigan. The overall feel is comfy and cozy without being too heavy. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your Frisee cardigan. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!